Good morning, friends, and welcome to this another video on Productivity Pro channel. I hope all those videos are helping you to understand few points or few techniques for productivity improvement. Now today I am going to tell you something about the skill index of the operator. In one of the installations in UAE, the customer told us that our operators are not working on the same machine throughout the week. They are asked to change the machine, but still we want to know the operator efficiency. Machine efficiency is one part, so that is taken care by techniques of online signal capturing and downtime data entry. But they wanted to know the operator efficiency, and each machine has got different job, different cycle time, so it was little bit challenge to do this. But then, as I mentioned in the previous video, that Simco is basically a very universal system. You can do wonders with Simco without calling a software developer. So what we did is we asked them to give the cycle time, the planned cycle time. Okay, so this is possible to enter in an Excel sheet. It's a normal practice. So whenever the operator comes on that particular machine, he will type the job number. As soon as the job number is recognized by the Simco system, it will catch the cycle time from the Excel sheet and it will display on the operator screen. So he knows that this particular component is to be finished within so and so time. Then we started monitoring the planned cycle time versus actual cycle time for the given operator. Now for first 4 days, let's say he is on machine number 1 with a certain component, and next 3 days he is working on some other machine. Doesn't matter, it has got some different cycle time, but still we monitored the performance by measuring the planned cycle time versus actual cycle time. So he has worked for 1 week on 2 different machines. So based on the data collected from that machine, we calculated the operator performance or operator efficiency. Okay, and this information was possible to display on a weekly basis or on a monthly basis. Maybe the customer wanted to give some reward to the efficient operator. So this was possible through Simco. I will try to show you some more information how we did for this customer, and this is possible for your setup also. So let us watch this. So friends, did you like this feature? I think some of the users will definitely try to implement this in their shop floor and give reward to the best operator of that particular month. And since it's an automatic data collection, it's a true picture, so nobody can challenge. So for today, let me end this video here itself. Have a nice day. Goodbye and thank you.